My name is Crystal. I own a luxury travel agency, and after spending 5 years living in the Caribbean island of Aruba, my husband and I relocated to Miami. We love spending time with our dogs, but we spend a lot of our time traveling the world. Follow along my entrepreneurial journey for luxe travel content and more. This life I built at one time was just a dream, but welcome to my reality. Welcome to the Grand Hyatt Athens. We stayed here for one night before departing for our cruise with Explorer Journeys. You can find that video if you subscribe and look back at my channel. This is one of the most modern hotels you're going to find in Athens, and although it's not overly large with lots to do, it is in a good area where you can conveniently get to different neighborhoods and tour Athens. We're staying in the Grand Suite with Acropolis view and one king bed. This is about 600 square feet, spacious, luxuriously designed with a marble bathroom, bathtub, and walk-in rain shower. If you're new here, I own a luxury travel agency based out of the United States. We plan trips just like this around the world. For this specific trip, we flew into Athens, did a full day tour with a trusted partner we have, and had a great time seeing all the different sites, then retreated over to our Explorer Journeys cruise and did that for a week and ended in Istanbul. We can plan your trips from start to finish, including flights, excursions, transportation, and all the things in between. Reach out to us using the description of this video. This is the Grand, a rooftop restaurant and bar open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So there are two pools. Here's one of them, and they have a little restaurant area over here at the other one. Little cabanas. Shouldn't say little, they're not little. Look at this view. They do have a grand club lounge that is available exclusively for certain suites and rooms with club access, as well as those who are in the World of Hyatt program that have club access. Although they serve breakfast, what you really need to do is go check out their amazing spread that they have daily for breakfast at the Grand, especially if you want some authentic Greek food. There was some really incredible options. But while in Greece, don't forget to check out some authentic and local food like we did here as well. They, of course, do have a full-service spa that I was able to go and check out. Highly recommend. There's also some great meeting and event spaces if this is something that you would be interested in booking for a corporate event. And here is a look at one of the more base category rooms for size reference, etc. All right, we are leaving the Grand Hyatt Athens. We just stayed here for one night. If you like this video, please subscribe. And if you want to follow along, we are headed on an Explorer Journeys luxury cruise through some of the Greek islands and other parts of Greece along the water. See you guys there.